Hi, here in this given problem, mass of the particle, that is m, is equal to 0.600 kilogram at point A. Its velocity VA is given as 2.00 meter per second, and at point B its kinetic energy EKB, this is given as 7.50 joules. In the first part of the problem, we have to find its kinetic energy at point A, EKA. Simply it will be given by the expression half mVA square, means this is half multiplied by 0.600 multiplied by VA, 2.00 square. So this kinetic energy at point A, it is calculated to be equal to 1.2 joules. Answer for the first part of this given problem. Then in the second part of the problem, we have to find velocity of the particle at point B. So using an expression for the kinetic energy at point B, that is half m into VB square. So we get an expression for VB, and that will be twice of the kinetic energy at point B divided by its mass and having a square root. So VB will be given by square root of 2 times of 7.50 divided by mass 0.600, and it comes out to be equal to VB is equal to 5.00 meter per second. Answer for the second part of this given problem here. Then in the third part of the problem, work done on the particle using work energy theorem. Work done on the particle, that will be equal to change in kinetic energy, means it will be the difference of the final kinetic energy EKB and the initial kinetic energy EKA. So work done will be 7.50 minus 1.20 joules, and it is calculated to be equal to 6.30 joules, and that is ignoring the frictional forces. Answer for the third part of this given problem here. Thank you.